Hey guys, this is Luis with Vidriokar glass replacement QX50. We're doing the quarter glass. This kind of weird corner. So after this Cybertruck panoramic glass, I'm tired. That glass is a little heavy. So we did one of my friends. So we did that one. So it's nice to have help for those trucks because they're huge glass. I'm gonna use the hook. One of my recommendations, one of my friends on Facebook. So we're gonna just put the lock right here, not maybe loops, but just hang over here. Okay, so I already pre-cut this part, so it's more easy. This one with the weird design, sometimes we hate because sometimes the line can between the encapsulated and the glass is down. So let's put this one on. So remember the corners, we're gonna go deep. Go with this big one on the bottom. This guy. This one over here. Very deep, as small as you can. I cut this very wide, that way it's not gonna lose inside. Make a little turn right there. And at this point, this is the problem with this corner. Always does. Okay. Just make a little turn right there. And remember, we're gonna just put some on the corners. That's more easy. So this one, we go all the way in. All the way in. This one, let me just move a little bit more from here. Right there. Okay, now we're gonna just between the strike all right, now we start from the top. I never tried to the bottom, but I think the top is better. But if you want to try the bottom, it's gonna just start cutting this direction. Alright, the corners are in. That was what we're looking for, except for this guy. You see how we catch that one? There you go. But this time, we're gonna put a little hook right here. So, alright, so what I'm gonna do is just make turn over here. Okay, and let's hook this one right there. Okay, so now let's start cutting with the ring guide. I'm gonna put this guy over here. Remember, I use these guys because I don't like tapes. No, I don't like it. I use them sometimes, but no all the time. The only I don't like is sometimes we get this guy here, and sometimes he can touch our system. It can make it damage, but maybe not. That one is still outside. The line is inside. Because this is what I don't like. Because if you touch the paint, you're gonna damage. That's why sometimes I don't like put anything like this. I prefer just go and the stripe with the core, and that's it, because it's the same thing, it's just a little more work. Maybe I'm gonna get one more smaller. More smaller is be better. Now I think this is much better, right guys? Thank you, the guy on Facebook. Let me remember his name. I can't remember. Ah, I'm sorry, buddy. I forget your name at this moment. I promise. Remember the next video. Alright, so this guy here, and we finish. Salute. Okay, so it's not much glue, but the problem is this part always is here. That's why you have to go all the way under, or you're gonna cast the encapsulate. I got this one clear. They're gonna blend it. So it's a lot of glue, but the ring cut made it. Okay guys, thank you so much, and see you next shot. I'm tired. After the Cybertruck, all my energy is gone. I need to go and eat something. I'm so weak. Okay guys, I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.